Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to do some simplification of algebraic expression and factorization. So for this question, right, we need to factorize this expression here. Do focus on the following, where we minus two groups of t minus 5. What this means essentially, right, is that first, the 7t is still outside of the bracket. There's actually negative 2t. And when I multiply in, negative 2 times negative 5, positive 10. And this will then give me 7t minus 2t, the like terms, 5t. Not forgetting, I still have a positive 10 here, and that will be the answer for this question. Let's move on to the next question.